Kevin, this is my house. This is my room, huh? Our room. Mother and me here sleep every day. Okay? And this is my toilet, Kevin. This is my toilet, 4th floor. Okay? Oh, look. Okay? And this is my vacant room because this is a room of my son. Look, Kevin. Mm-hmm. He's no sleeping. Okay, look at that. And this is 4th floor, my 4th floor. Look. Mm. Okay. And this my before, huh? Okay. Look. Look at me. And this my 3rd floor. Okay. This is my 3rd floor. Before, this is my house. Mm-hmm. Complete here. No problem. Okay. Mm. Before you come here, this is my home. This is my own home only. Small. Small, before, And this is the toilet here in 3rd floor. Okay. Okay, Kevin. Me and my my wife only. Your mother is sleep here. Okay. If you want to go in rooftop, okay. This is my okay. I get a flashlight. Yes. Saan yung ano? Saan yung flashlight? Guy. Yun. Flashlight. Saan? Wait. Get we will go, I'll go to rooftop. This is my rooftop. Okay. Oh. Even Sophie, playing here, no problem. And this is my uh, toilet. 5th floor. You see? Okay. Oh, this is my 5th floor. Very big, high, and look down. You see? All the building is see. Okay, Kevin. Uh, I send them this now and look down. I'm very tired. And this is my stairway. Mm-hmm. Stairway. Oh. This is my aircon. Okay. So she can